Hey y'all, today we are trying out a brand new palette. This is the Lorac Pro Palette in Soleil. We get into how it looks, all of that good stuff in the video. The outer packaging looks like this. It's all soft touch. I love it. It sits right in there. The box is a bit bigger, but it fits in there snug. I like that. This palette is $35. I got it online at Ulta. And if you guys want to see this tutorial, and I hope you guys do because I love Lorac, I have been waiting for more pro palettes to come out. If you are new here, I always want to let you guys know we use all natural lighting. I want you guys to see my skin. I want you guys to see the colors in a palette as they are. When you see this color going on my eyes, that's exactly what you're going to see at home if you have the palette as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do now, and let's hop in. I gotta put a little something on my lips because we are into colder weather here in Kentucky, and my lips are so dry. It's absurd. I mean, absurd. So this was sitting on my desk. I've not tried it yet. This is the I Love Revolution Watermelon Popsicle Lip Mask. Smells good. We'll see. It does smell really good though. Like, you kind of want to eat it. Good. Okay, back to what we're here for, and I am so excited for this, you guys. So excited for this. This is the Lorac Pro Palette in Soleil. I'm sorry, it's already kind of dirty. Beautiful soft touch packaging. You open this gal. This is probably all in the intro, but this is even soft touch. I love it. It has all of the names on it. You can pull that off. I'm totally keeping this just because I like the way it feels. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it's just, oh, it's so good. Are you guys ready for it? Oh, it's so pretty. I have waited years for another pro palette to come out. Lorac was my favorite eyeshadow formula for years, but then it was like they kind of just fell off. They weren't really putting anything else out because I own all the original Lorac Pro palettes, the Mega Pros, all of that, and it's been quite a while now. So I know they did sell the company. Hopefully it is the same formula. We will try that out, but I am so excited for this. Also, this packaging is pretty cool. You can flip this down, and I guess you can poke these little guys right out and switch them however you'd like. But I like how they have this set up. You have your mattes all on this side, your shimmers all on that side, and then you have light to dark. I love how they have this set up. I personally wouldn't change it, but at least you have the option to do so. Let's swatch this. I kind of hate to even mess this up. These are so pretty, but let's start swatching, shall we? We will do some live swatches. Oh, these are soft, beautiful, just like I remember. Oh gosh, you guys. So the first one felt a little chunkier than the second, but they're still very smooth. Oof. Ooh, Lorac does not disappoint me. Definitely feels like the original. You guys, like, these were just, Lorac, I'm telling you, they were so great. I'm so glad they're finally coming out with more. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, this one right here feels chunkier than the rest. Ooh, but it still goes on beautifully. Holy moly. Oh, yep. You guys, I love this. Oh, so beautiful. Oops, sorry guys, my arm was down too far. All right, 3, 6. Last one here. And she is stunning. me get up and show you guys all of these. You guys, these are absolutely stunning. They're soft but not super flaky. You can see like this guy right here, I got too much on my finger, but if you just rub them out a little bit more, they're just smooth. You can see as I rub them, you don't need much. But I wanted to show you guys in the swatches, you know, full pigment. Oh my gosh. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You guys, I don't even know if you're going to be able to fully appreciate how gorgeous these are. Like, they are just smooth, beautiful. All right, I wiped these off. You can see there because I don't want to get them everywhere. And look how much they stayed. Like, it's crazy how a lot of these, you'll put them on your arm, wipe them off, and they're just gone. But these actually stayed. That shows that they are going to have a lot of staying power. They're going to stay on all day. I would almost guarantee it. Okay, guys, I am calmed down now. I know what I want to do somewhat. So we are going to take this guy right here. And of course, my eyes are already primed with concealer and set with powder. I'm going to take some of that guy. Oh, this does have a nice clear mirror in it as well. You guys can see that. And I'm going to put this right in, oh, pigment. Whew, that's even more pigmented than I remember. Whew. All right, so we're going to put this in the upper crease area. Remember, with my eyes, I do have hooded eyes, so I make a crease, fake a crease, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to blend this up kind of towards the brow, but I'm not going to go as high. I'm so excited to have a Lorac palette in my hand, a new Pro palette. I didn't even have to build that. Like, it was just wow. I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of, what should I do? I'm going to actually mix these two. Mix those two guys. And we're going to put it up here closer to the brow bone, kind of as our transition color. And just blend everything. We'll highlight with, can you guys even see that? Highlight with this one. These aren't too powdery. Right. Oh. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. That was more pigmented than I expected it to be. Holy moly. I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to put it on the outer corner. I might end up using some of the brown as well, but I want to start out with this shade. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shade, kind of right up my alley. And I'm just going to put it on first. I'm going to grab a smaller brush and blend it out. Oh, this shade is beautiful, you guys. I'm going to take this guy and put it on the lid. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that beauty? Oh, all right. I think I want more, you guys. I do. I'm going to take the very first shade, because why not? We're going to put it on top. I don't know. I want it to just be extra boom in your face. Yeah, that's more of what I was going for. I'm going to grab a pencil brush and take our darkest shade, the brown. I'm going to add a little bit of this to the outer corner. And you guys only need a little bit. I definitely overdid it, but that's okay. Kind of covering up our more red shade there. That brown packs a punch. Added a little more of the red in. Okay, I think we're good. Let's go to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the dark brown, run it super tight on the lower lash. Like, this brown is pigmented. Like, this is a very rich dark brown. We're gonna take our center shade and run it right below that. And I have practically no fallout, like nothing. And then for the inner corner, we're gonna take this one and stick it right there. These shades. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, throw on some lashes, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I wanted to pop back on real quick. I was doing this eye, and this brown is so rich and so pigmented. It's not hard to blend, it doesn't stick or anything like that, but I went a little less heavy-handed on this eye, and I like the way it looks a lot better than this one. So I just wanted to show you guys, less heavy-handed, just a little bit blended out. You'll get this, not so dark and intense like this. I'm gonna do this eye like this one, of course, to make them match, but I did want to show you guys you can use that brown in a different way. I did not expect it to be so richly pigmented. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys, but we'll be right back. All right, so this is our finished look. I think I need a little bit of a darker lip, but this is what we've got. This is what we're going with. I normally don't do such a dramatic eye. I did do a wing. I did black on the lower inner rim, and I kind of connected it kind of in the inner corners. So this is what we are left with, and I have to say I do love this look. It's much more dramatic than even my dramatic looks are, but I love it. I love it. I'll list my eyelashes down below. They're allll, but they're the kind of shorter, spikier lash. You guys, hands down, love this palette. I think it is worth the money. I think it is so pigmented, and I have to say, I think it's even better than the Lorac Pro formula prior to this. Like, I did a few swatches of the shimmers, and these guys in the new palette pack an even bigger punch. I mean, the mattes are gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. I hope Lorac keeps putting more palettes out. I love their formula, and I think honestly they've improved it. I do. Like, I wouldn't have thought it could have been improved, but they somehow did it. It's gorgeous. The formula is just superb to me. It is that good, you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If I'm forgetting anything, I will leave it down below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do now. And I hope you guys have a good day. I hope it stops raining here sometime soon. We've had rain for like 3 days now. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.